Hello students. So in today we are going to learn how to make in MS Access how we can create query. Now what is query? We have done MS Access in which we learned how to make table. Fine. Now this is a simple table. If I want to do uh, sorting, I can do it. If I want to filter some data, for example, I want to those cities names who are Delhi. Fine. So I want all the names of the employees who are staying in the Delhi. So what can we do? We can use the filter, and in the filter we can we can do we can choose which city, and then according to that we can filter the data. Fine. We can see the employees names, those who are staying in Delhi, but that is not permanent. It will go after we uh, remove the filter, it will go. We want a permanent so that it will be there, and whenever we want we can take the printout. So for that we have to make the query. So how to make query? For example, I want all the employees names who are staying in Delhi. So for that I am going to create a query. For that you have to click on the create, then go to the query wizard. Okay, this is query wizard. Click here. You will see I want to make simple query wizard right now. Click on OK. Now here you can choose the tables. I have right now one table, so only one table name is coming. You can select it. Then from here, which field you want. If I want all, I click here. Everything is here. Now I don't want, keep it here. I want name, fine. So this one. I want name, then phone number and city name. Okay, only this city I want. Only this value I want. These. And what are the others? Others are photos, email ID. Well, click on next. Now it is asking, do you want a detailed? Yes. Click on next. Here is the query name. So you can write, for example, I am writing here city of the employee. Fine. Then I want to modify the query design. Then click on the finish. You can see here, okay, it is coming like this. Here you can see all the fields of your table. If you want to maximize it so that you can see all of them, you can do it. Fine. Right now what's coming? Employee, name, phone number and city. If I click on this run, you can see what's coming, only name, phone numbers and cities. Fine. Now go to the view and design. I want cities in the, if you want the employee's name to be sorted, so you can click here and ascending order, descending order, whatever you want you can use. Then in criteria, for example, in the city, I want Delhi. So I will write DELHI Delhi, or if you have any other city, you can write. Okay, then we can go to the file and we can save it. Okay, can you see city of the employee? It is saved right now. So again, I go to the design view. Now I want Delhi and Hyderabad employees name. So this is how you can put the conditions. Okay, criteria is written here. In the criteria we are writing it. So you can see all those employees names and their phone numbers are coming, those who are staying in Delhi and Hyderabad. If you want to save it, mhm, and save one minute. It's not saving. Yeah, here you can save it. So for example, I want that whenever you want, it should ask me. Whenever I run this query, it should ask in which city you want. So for that, in your keyboard, after paying, you can see the square bracket is there. So here you can write enter the city. Okay, close the bracket, save this query and run it. Now here it will ask you enter the city. For example, if I will write here only Hyderabad, so click on OK. It's not coming. Maybe the spelling is wrong, something is wrong. Enter run DELHI Delhi. Okay, for Delhi it is working. So maybe the spelling error will be there. So if I run it and I'm writing let us see. Yeah, so it's showing. And if you want to see something else, for example, if I go my employees table, there are some of the employees of Delhi, Hyderabad, only Delhi and Hyderabad. For example, I changed some of them to Rajasthan or Mumbai, make it Mumbai. Okay, so now you will see their names will come here. Okay, now go to the city of the employee, enter the city, click here. Enter the city, enter the city. So here, if I write Mumbai, it is showing one record. Why it is showing one record only? Okay. Now it will show two records. Refresh and here design view. Okay, run it. So two records is showing. If I want to delete this, okay, for example, I want to delete this query. So for that, first you, if for example, I'm right click here, you can delete it. But what it is showing that you can't delete the database object city of the employee while it's open. It means first you have to close it. So for that, what can you do? Go to the table and close it. Right click. Here is the close button. Okay. Now once you right click and click on the delete, it is going to ask you, are you sure? If you click on yes, then what happened? The query will be deleted. So this is how you can create the query in MX Access. So please do practice for it, and you have the books right now, so you can do the practice from the book.